Welcome to this video on how to calibrate your GE top-load washer. Calibration is a simple process that can often resolve performance issues and ensure your machine runs smoothly. In this video, you will learn why calibration is crucial for your washer, how to enter service mode, perform a balance reset, and maintain your machine for optimal performance. To prepare, make sure the tub is empty and the machine is level. Plug it in, hold the power button for 3 seconds, then press the Start/Pause button 6 times within 30 seconds. If successful, the display will show T01 or 0. Once in service mode, rotate the selection knob until T02 appears on the display. Press Start/Pause to begin the calibration. The washer will fill, agitate, and spin to detect balance. Do not interrupt this cycle. It will take 2 to 5 minutes. After the cycle finishes, press the power button to exit service mode. You can also unplug the unit for a minute to reset. Finally, run a test load on a quick wash or rinse and spin cycle to observe proper operation. For the best results, remember to always start with an empty tub and verify the machine is level. Avoid interrupting the cycle and perform a calibration after any major repairs or if you have moved the washer. Keep in mind that button combinations may vary by model. Newer models with touch controls might use different methods, while older models with knobs typically follow the power start sequence. Always consult your user manual for specific details.